Show you how to cook a chicken or a turkey in a roast. This was frozen solid and we had it in the refrigerator for several days so it could really thaw out. You can see we put a pan underneath to catch all the juices as it's thawing. Put this rack inside so when we're done we can just lift up the turkey. We'll rinse it off, move any bags from inside like this. Check the front too. There are usually bags in the front, but in this case there's not. Set it into the roaster. This is a 12-pound chicken. We're putting about 1 cup of water in the bottom and then sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. So on most chicken or turkey roasting charts it says to cook your poultry for about 13 minutes per pound. This is unstuffed and we'll do that at 350, which means it's going to take us almost 3 hours to cook this. We will check before the 3 hours are up with a meat thermometer. The meat needs to come up to at least 180 internal temperature. Set this to 350 and put the top on. It's time to check the internal temperature. The temperature. Okay, we're over 150 and still climbing. That's definitely at 180, so we are done. Pull it out. That's how you cook a chicken or a turkey in the roaster, and that looks amazing.